It's time for another winner chicken dinner.
This perfectly cooked chicken is served with this amazing white bean, spinach, and fire-roasted tomato
Oh,
sauce.
so good. It's perfect for a weeknight dinner or even a special occasion.
Oh, yes. I think it's better for a special occasion.
It's that good that you're going to see it's easy. And
Yes.
so, okay, let's get going. So I've got, you want a nice large skillet that can be on the skillet, go on the stove, as well as the oven, because we're going to finish it off in the oven.
Fabulous.
So I'm using my cast iron skillet, and I put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in here. And what are you doing over there?
I am oiling up my chicken.
Well, there you go.
I've got some olive oil here, and I'm just I'm coating my chicken with it, and I've got my one glove.
I'm going to help you out.
And I'm going to, go ahead.
And then
Sorry.
we're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper.
Thank you so much.
Because I was hoping we could do this
Quicker than
before tomorrow morning. We'll have it for breakfast.
Oh, stop it. All right, let me turn these over.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to put some more oil on them. There we go.
There you go, beautiful.
Yum.
Now this is, so we're using bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. You could absolutely go with whatever your favorite chicken. I know a lot of people like to cook with boneless, skinless chicken breasts. That I have the recipe, the cook time in the blog post if you want to do that. But chicken thighs, it's the dark meat. It's just so flavorful. It's so wonderful. So now we are going to.
You're going to do skin side down
We're
first?
going to do skin side down because we want to sear that skin and get it really nice and crispy. It adds such a wonderful flavor. It's just great. The taste, the texture is fantastic. So
Hank, the dog is out there barking.
So we've got our heat on medium-high heat, and we're going to let this sear. I'm going to crank it up even a little bit more, and it's going to go for anywhere from, I would say, 5 to 12, 15 minutes. You'll know just whenever that skin gets really nice and crispy. And then we're going to flip it. Okay, aren't these beautiful? So you see how that is nice and crisp. I did it on the skin side down for about, I'd say 10 minutes, and then we flipped it, and we're just going to let these go on the flip side for about another 2 minutes. Now I'm going to carefully remove these. These aren't 100% fully cooked yet. That's okay. The primary goal here was to get that skin extra crispy. We're going to finish the cooking off in the oven.
That looks good.
That does look good. Now the grease, you're going to render, there's going to be a little bit of grease that's going to render from the, thank you. Be careful, I don't want to burn you.
I know.
From the skin. So I like to spoon off. So you leave about 2 tablespoons here. Try not to make a mess like I'm doing. Okay, so now that's perfect. So now what we're going to do, now we're going to just continue building this. Now we're going to start making the sauce. I have got the sauce is to die for. I've got 1 shallot. Let me grab a little wooden spoon here. And we're just going to saute this until it's nice and soft.
You know, this has sort of a... like a Mediterranean feel.
It does, or like a Tuscan kind of thing.
You throw some olives in there, and then we're Mediterranean.
You could. You absolutely could. Mediterranean, Italian.
What are other one skillet chicken? Tuscan chicken.
Well, yeah, that's what I was just saying. But that's a little different. It's got a creamier texture to it, or creamier base. There's also if we'll go French, you could do your chicken fricassee, which is really good.
Oh, y'all. When I hear chicken fricassee, I think, oh, that's really hard, but it's not.
It's really not.
Yeah.
No, it's not. Okay, it's a winner chicken dinner. Okay, now I just put in 3 cloves of garlic that I minced.
Winner chicken dinner.
Winner chicken dinner. Okay, now we're just moving right along here. Okay.
Lovely. I never really used or ate chicken thighs when I was younger. It was usually like just legs and breasts.
Well, I know, and like I said before, now I'm going to put in, this is a 1/2 cup of good quality white wine. You don't have to break the bank. Don't open your most expensive bottle, but don't use cooking wine if you can avoid it. Just use a decent, if you're going to drink it, then you can want to cook with it. So now we're going to want to let this just kind of cook down until you're going to want that alcohol. That smells so good. That alcohol to cook off, and this is going to reduce just a little bit, and we're going to keep building the sauce. Okay. Oh, well, now you see how that cooked down. Now we've got a 1/2 cup of just good old chicken stock, good old quality chicken stock. He makes fun of me because I always say good old
When
quality.
you say good old quality, mayonnaise, good old
Well,
quality.
you don't want to use, you know, I don't use the gross stuff.
Good old quality spinach.
Okay, so now we're gonna let okay, this is simmering, so that's good.
Wow.
So I just love this sauce so much because it's got all these wonderful flavors. This is spinach. This is 2 cups of spinach. I usually say cook with mature.
Is that baby spinach?
It's baby spinach. I broke my rule.
Cheated.
I did because there's nothing wrong with it. There really isn't. And this is, like I said, this is one of those meals that it comes together pretty quickly, and it's great for a busy Tuesday night or weeknight, you know.
Totally.
And so baby spinach
It's
is
good for a
ready to
date
go.
night too.
It is good for a date night. We've had a few dates with this dish.
With chicken.
Chicken. That's where they came up with the marry me chicken, isn't it? That dish. That's called,
Oh, totally, I think.
Yeah,
it is delicious. I don't know
is.
if I'd say yes after that.
okay, so now we're going to cook this. Now you'll see how that just starts to reduce. I mean, it wilts, and it like really starts to cook down, and it's beautiful. And I'm just going to keep on building these flavors.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
now we're going to add in some herbs. This is a tablespoon of fresh basil, and this is a tablespoon of fresh parsley. And then I'm going to go ahead and season it with a teaspoon of salt. Oh, that smells so good.
A little pepper.
Half teaspoon of black pepper. And, oh, doesn't that smell great?
Wow, it's all coming together,
It's
folks.
coming together. It's going to be magical. It's a winter. I keep saying it. It's a winter chicken dinner. Okay, so now we've got a can of fire roasted tomatoes, diced, that I've drained, and it's so easy. I'm just going to put those in there, and then we've got a 15-ounce can that I'm not in the can, but I drained of your favorite white beans. These are great northern. I just
You can use cannelloni.
You can use whatever bean you want. I think the white beans are just a nice
Look
flavor.
at that.
I know, isn't it awesome? Okay, I think
It does have a Tuscan feel, too.
It totally has a Tuscan feel. Okay, so
But no
now,
cream.
No cream.
Are you ready for these,
I'm
guys?
ready for them. So
Okay.
let's nestle. Let's
All right,
nestle our
grab your-
chicken. Okay.
Grab your tongs and nestle this chicken.
Okay, come on, chicken. Now you're gonna see we're doing 4 chicken. Wesley insisted that we only do 4. I was like, we could fit 6 in there, but
No, you couldn't see the sauce then.
you
The
could.
sauce is pretty. The sauce is very pretty.
I know he's all about presentation, which I appreciate. But anyway, you want to make sure you leave the skin, that crispy skin. Don't get it in the sauce. Don't turn it upside down because then it'll no longer be crispy, and we don't
And
want
it's just
that.
going to get crispier as it sits in there.
As it bakes. So
Yeah.
now I'm going to turn this off, and we're going to put this in the oven, and it's going to go until we get an internal temperature of 165, and that only takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it is time to chow down.
Love it.
Oh, the smell is so good.
I love it. Oh, gosh.
And I have to say, the presentation is even better. Look at that. Doesn't that look like something that you'd get at like a fancy restaurant? I'm telling you.
Oh,
All right, I know. And the smell, you guys,
Look
it's
at that.
just
And the colors. I love the colors.
I know. All right, I'm gonna bring this over. I'm gonna scooch this over a little bit so I can give you some of this
Yeah.
beautiful sauce. And
Give me some of that sauce.
what we should have done, we should have some bread to go with this because
We usually do.
I know. That's your job.
Oh, there we go, Chris.
Soak up this beautiful sauce.
I know it's my job.
Well, you kind of let us down, but that's okay. I'm joking. Okay.
Oh, y'all.
Now, I love this crispy skin chicken. We cooked this for 20 minutes, like 15 to 20 minutes. I use my instant read thermometer to ensure that you get the internal temperature to at least 165 degrees. You want to make sure that it's fully cooked. What? Oh, you want a little more on
little more
top?
sauce on
a little more
top.
sauce on top. A little more sauce on top makes everything better.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, then we'll do a little of this. Nice. Okay. All right. Don't eat without me.
I'm not going to.
I'm going to quickly serve myself. You guys.
Wow.
This is a great dinner for the family.
A little sauce on top.
A little sauce on top. Okay. Let me put a little of my part. I love that spinach in there too.
There we go.
Okay. All right, it's piping hot, but that's okay.
Yeah, I know. That's okay.
Oh boy, I have been waiting for this for
You
a while.
guys, just look at how
And that
Amazing.
skin.
That is. All right, I'm gonna cut a little of that off.
Oh, wow. It's so tender. When you cook it this way.
Wow. That is fall off the
Oh,
bone.
I know.
Wow.
Make sure you get that sauce in there.
Yeah, I gotta.
Are you having problems?
No, I just don't want to. I want to do it like I know how to do it.
Do it like you know how to do it. Do it like you know what you're doing. Oh, that looks good. And the blow on it.
Wow. Okay. I might have to.
All right, I'm going in. How long did it take to make that? And can you believe that?
Unbelievable.
I know.
I don't understand. It's so good. It's just like these few simple ingredients,
Yeah.
some herbs, and wham bam, thank you, man.
It is.
Oh.
It is. I mean, it's one of my favorite chicken dishes of all time, and I've got a lot of favorite chicken dishes. I know your favorite part. You haven't even eaten yet. But crispy chicken. I'm going for the crispy.
Y'all, make this for any night, whatever. Oh, it's so good. That is 100,000%.
Yeah.
Maybe 200.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is a
Would
win.
approve.
Winner, 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 winner.
That
You
is.
guys, we hope you're gonna make this. We hope life is treating you good because
Yeah.
we love you so much. Nothing better than a good old chicken dinner.
That's right. Eat some chicken and feel better about yourself.
All right. Bye,
I'm
everybody.
gonna have the skin now.
I know you are. I know you are. All right, bye, everybody. We love you. There's some skin in the game.